Day 243 of my body transformation. Push ang workout natin today. At since bumibigat na din ang mga binubuhat natin, we can't skip having a pre-workout snack. Pag light workouts lang, like the ones we do pag rest days, nagsiskip na tayo ng breakfast since enough naman na yung stored energy natin to sustain it. Pero for high-intensity trainings, malaki ang may tutulong ng pre-workout snack to make sure na may energy tayo to sustain our performance all throughout the workout. Our body needs to reach a certain amount of stress kasi in order to progress. And without enough energy, mahihirapan tayo ma-reach yung level na yun. After workout naman, depleted na ang energy natin. Kaya mahalaga na ma-replenish natin ang body natin with carbs and protein. Pag optimal kasi ang level ng glycogen natin, madali for our body to repair itself. Of course, with the help of protein. But we have to make sure na pasok pa din to sa calories natin. And 1 cup of rice lang tayo. Remember, kakampi natin ang calories. We need calories to burn calories. Pag may enough energy, siguradong tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Yun na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.